You know, it's always worth seeking out further advice when researching your family history. As a professional genealogist, I learn day in, day out. I never stop learning, and you should do the same. There's plenty of sources of advice and information and people out there to help you build up your knowledge of your ancestors and the context in which they lived, the documents that are available, the records that are available. And someone asked me a question that I didn't have the answer to. This happens in talks. It's a vast subject, family history. And the key is to take the question down and email it out to those that attended following the talk. And this was about where can you find the statistics behind the UK census information online. I had to do a little bit of research, found a website and sent the link off, and that will show my professionalism in the business, but also that I'm able to keep promises. So do keep yourself up to date. Do keep your continuing professional development up to date and keep learning. It's a lifelong process. It's a vast subject. You never stop learning in this game.